Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do avatar AI trend on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Lensa AI, and you need to download that application and then you need to click on open. Once you are on that page, so it will take few seconds, and then you need to click on here. You can see in the bottom magic avatars, click on that option and click on try now, and then you need to enter your selfies, click on continue. You can see that good photos example here are and the bad photos example, and after that you need to select 10 to 20 selfies, and after that your avatar will be created. But keep in mind that this is not free, you simply need to pay to that application. After that you are able to create your avatars and use on your TikTok. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.